Say that again, please.
It looks like you're playing a video game, but no, it sounds like you're playing a video game, but it looks like you're coding. It looks like you're putting in the code to do actions, and it's just saying that that code is either not correct, so you cannot do that action, or try it this way, so you can do that action.
Yep, and we're about to run out of quarters.
This thing is so awesome.
Did you see this part? So this is what it's got running at any given time.
Uh-huh. Which, yeah, we should reload that. 620 doesn't make any sense. But you can get zombies and witnesses that nuke things, and it's really fun.
And polecats, which are badgers.
Yes. And oh, good. That makes much more sense.
Oh, and Jasper's gone. That's who was working, right?
One of them, I think, probably.
Good.
Yeah. Good. And they've only got a set list of names, which are a few different kinds of rocks. Yes! Okay, cool. Just died like a minute or two ago.
So if we go over here. Oh wait, did it die me out because it died while I was in it? Yes. Yeah. So it gave up. So let's get back into the mare.
Hello.
The food's gonna be here in a bit. I'm gonna make lemon balls.
Yay! That sounds great.
The engine is running again. 3 polecats active versus yes. The main fix was good.
Jasper's done. So if we hit Control V, yes, before we run out of
yes, good. We've got
stuff.
obsidian and onyx, so it's working.
Oh well, let's go look at those then. Onyx.
Yeah.
Cool. What? Working on. Close one was closed. Implement the solution. What is code base to understand the current state? Verify pre-flights. Pass.
Mm-hmm. Good. Yeah, just doing stuff. Your range is on state.
Okay, so we don't know what it's working on right now.
Nope.
Yeah, it's gonna. If it makes it long enough, it's gonna tell us.
Yes, probably.
Oh, we're cruising this into. We're all gonna stop.
Ooh, wow.
99% used.
By the way, what's canoodling mean? It sounds ridiculous.
Means you're smooching in a dark corner.
Cool. Alright. That thing. I don't know who knows what.
Okay.
Okay.
Use 99% session limit. Resets at 9 p.m.
Yes. Come on.
Oh, canoodling is also means you're like thinking about something deeply and staring into space. Start game. There we go. Hey, look, it's writing. Sam, here it is, writing code.
Come on. This is so cool. It works.
It's alive. Is it?
Yes.
See, it's all like.
Yes. Come on. Yes. Good. That's perfect. It did.
If it doesn't.
Well, see, instead of playing Morse code, it's start game, which is what we wanted to do.
So I have to wait for limit to reset. No. I'm glad it asked.
Yeah.
I have to wait for the limit to reset. Control B S. Let's go look at the mirror and see if the mirror feels bad.
I don't think the mayor's doing anything right now. It's just letting everyone else. Well, sort of.
Right? It's a miracle.
It's a miracle? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
That we're playing video games?
Yeah. Well,
Kinda
more of Hammy than you. Like, I've seen you play Centipede. Hammy.
It works.
Okay, I think we can just leave it until 9, right?
Okay, yeah.
I'll just put it up on the mirror. Okay. We used our limit until 9.
Yep.
Used 1/10 of our week in an afternoon. That'll work because 2 weeks are 7 days long, so far so good.
Microphone's been on this whole time.
Huh?
Microphone's still on. Didn't even realize.
Excellent. That's fine. Oh no, I just turned it on with Sam.